Okay, so the first step is going to be hammering everything from like here to basically back here to like a flat edge so that the tool can properly press against it. So I'm going to just get on that and start hammering. You probably want to use a better hammer, but this is the hammer I got, so I'm using this. And I'm using this to heat it up, the metal a little bit, so it makes it a little softer. And this is more so when I'm rolling it, but this heats it up too, so I might use this time. So, start hammering.
You know what I mean? How can these people be talking about how they so real and they don't care about our communities? How can they be talking about what they all this, you know, the hood, blah, 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 blah. They don't care about our communities. You know what I mean? Listen to the words that people say in their lyrics.
Hopefully the lighting, it's doing it right. So this is basically how it's going to be. This is where you want it to be, like all smooth like that and pinched up. This side I still have to hammer down, so instead of showing that whole part real quick, I'm just going to come back with the Fender roller. Nice, see if the back is the same as the front is, the top. Now I'm going to get the roller, just start, might do a pull, we'll see. That guy right there. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell if it's like actually flared out some or if it's just kind of bulbous, because I've been hitting shit. So like this side's a little dookie, and this side's a little dookie. Yeah. So big dookie, little dookie. That's about where I'm at. This is all smooth though. I don't know if you can see that, but this is beautiful on the inside. I'm going to test fit the 185s again with the spacers, see if they have a little bit more room. But I'm thinking 195s are wider, so if I want to go low, I might have to try and pull out the fender more, and I think I need a sledgehammer or something, so we'll see. There's still some lippies up here. It's not completely sandwiched, and this side definitely comes in more, as opposed to when you come over here. This side's all smooth, and there's more room back here. I don't know if I can show you without the sun, but yeah, see, there's like way more room. So I am going to roll the outside a little bit more, use a little bit more hammering, just right here to get this lip in, I believe, and then a little bit right here just to make sure I have some room, because the 195s, they're going to be 195.50, but I just want to make sure I have enough room for when I lower it. So yeah.
On my neck, weigh a kilo, nigga just violated, piss dirty to his PO. On a real nigga scale, 1 to 10, you a 0. Damn, met a bad bitch, she was Creole. On the West Coast, but she said she from the NO. Act right, get your life changed. Fuck a purse, you can get the last name.
Dope. This side definitely all nice and smooth like a pancake. I feel like if you look at it, I have a bit more room than I did yesterday. This is a bit dimpled out, but we'll see how much it comes out with 195s. Might have to add a little bit of camber just to make it fit right when I'm at the height that I want it to be, but it's good. This is the Destroyer die short and rear control arms, giving me some nice tire wear, even all the way across. Come over here, even. Ignore the differences in cuter with some spacers. I like it with a little wider in the rear. I'm gonna need to align it again at some point with spacers because I lined it without it. This is nice. We'll see how much it rubs, but like, see, I guess you need overs if this is some bullshit you gotta deal with. I don't know what, maybe I hit something. Who knows? Yeah, she's all good in the hood now. Spacers all around, rolled fenders all around. This one and this one. Galoosh. It's not even, but YOLO. I'm gonna wash it because it's filthy.
Jason?
That was ridiculous. Couple, just to make your pee-pee hard and then give it back.